Hey guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So we're continuing to build on our previously burnt RV. Last time we got the slide in. So basically this time we got to tear off that old floor and really could start working on it. It'll be so much nicer inside, all closed off from the outside elements and mosquitoes and heat. So really looking forward to it. Let's go and jump right on it. Progress update, it's looking good in here. The slide out floor is coming together. Ooh, looking real nice. And it just feels so good in here. I got the AC going. Oh man, what a difference. From before it was like I couldn't bear to be in here, you're sweating. Now it's actually feeling better in here than it is out there. That's awesome. Also, I got my little bug zapper going. Let me show you. Ooh, just so cool back here. Oh yeah, hearing that thing pop once in a while, so nice. No more mosquitoes, no more bad temperature. Getting the flooring done, that slide out, it's looking fantastic. I'm gonna basically do this edge right here, the face of it. Also put some paneling there, might as well. Then I gotta get that black angle on there, trim my sides. Looking good. Oh, it's gonna look great at the end. Alright guys, so it's starting to look good, it feels good, but I'm going for that two-tone on the bottom over there. I just don't know how long. I'm going to put a little trim piece over there, so I basically have to get my benches back in. Let's go ahead and get those reupholstered, rebuilt, and reinstalled. Get it done. Also got my cabinets on top. I have a cool idea for those. I'll show you in a minute what we're going to do with those. Went to the local upholstery shop and I got me some foam. There's our new material right there. That's the color of it. Let's go ahead and get inside, set up some tables, and reupholster those little plywood pieces. Learning and doing. Alright guys, so I got my back panel over there all ready to go. Stripped off the old stuff. Got some padding, and then we'll have the material. Sorry, it's kind of loud. Ivan's doing some grading out there. Getting it done. You guys remember our skid steer video? Caterpillar, pretty cool, check it out. But anywho, let's go ahead and get this panel done. Well, there it is, my first attempt on wrapping a panel. I'm probably not perfect. I tried. It's not too bad, honestly. Go soft to me, guys. It is my first panel. I'm actually really bad at wrapping Christmas presents, so honestly, wrapping panels isn't my thing, but I'm learning. You know, that's part of life. You do things that you haven't done before and new experiences. I don't think it's that bad. Let's flip it over. Check out the other side. Not bad. I think it turned out pretty good. It feels nice and soft. A little cushion underneath. Edges feel good. I think that rolled in nicely. It's not too bad. Let's go ahead and put it inside the RV and see what it looks like. Okay, so I got my nice, beautiful panel here. Really soft, all smooth, no wrinkles. And basically it goes over here. Like so. And you won't see any of that because it's back there. But it's nice. A little hidden, but overall I know back there it's gonna look good. There's another panel that goes over here. There's a bench that goes over there. So a lot of stuff just goes on top of each other and it's gonna look good at the end. Let's keep going. Here's another little panel that I need to do. I'm just looking at the old style, how they did it. A little bit of material, kind of weird material. It's kind of cool, but whatever. And then they just folded it right over. So that's what I'm gonna do too. Make it look like that with our new gray material. All right, guys, look at that. I got the rough frame in. I think it's turning out pretty cool. There's supposed to be another, oh, hear that snap? Bug zapper's working. Nice. Still got a light I gotta put in over here. There's definitely still a lot of work on me, but it's already pretty dark outside. I'm gonna call it a night. I need actually smaller staples to finish up that other piece over there, and then I can put that panel on. We sent off some other cushions, the harder ones with like curves and stuff, to the upholstery guy. But I'm learning how to do it. It's not too bad. Figuring it out. All right, I'll catch you in the morning. All right, guys, it's the next day. I went and got me some shorter staples, so I'll go ahead and knock this panel out. I'm getting a little better at it, so it shouldn't take too long. I'll get both of them, and then I could finish up those benches. Let's get it done. Alright guys, so there we go. I got my benches basically framed out and reupholstered. I still need cushions on this side and the bottom, but overall it's looking pretty good. I'm happy how it's turning out. It's looking really clean. I like the color of it. They're feeling pretty sturdy. Oh, brand new. It's pretty awesome. But that's all the time I have for today, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. We got more videos coming. We have the bathroom we got to redo. We got to do the walls. We got to do the shower, all that fun stuff. I mean, there's still so much up ahead of us, but hey, it's coming together. It's looking good. Thanks guys for all your support. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Till next time.